For today's hair tutorial, we're doing a half up, half down claw clip hairstyle. The first thing I like to do is brush my hair out, and then I like to get my middle part. Now I'm going to brush back all the hair on my crown and then take a small section where my hair is parted and tease only that section. You could also tease the whole part of your crown if you wanted a bigger poof later, but I don't really like doing that just because it's not good for my hair. Next, I'm going to take my fingers and just run it through the back of my hair to make the top half. And then I'm going to put a ponytail around it, but on the last time, I'm not going to pull my hair all the way through. And then this is what it should look like. Then you're going to want to take the section that is not pulled all the way through, you're going to split it in half, and then you are going to twist it. Now grab your claw clip and then put it over that piece. You might have to play around a little bit with your claw clip. As you can see here, I had a bunch sticking out at the bottom, which I didn't like, so I had to tuck it under the claw clip a little bit more. Next, we're going to cover up that hairline where we parted it at. This may not be an issue for you, but I don't like how you can see that part there, so I'm just pulling out just a very small little bit to cover that up. And you can see it looks a whole lot better. This side looks worse, so when I started pulling it out, you'll see a big difference here. And as you can see, that looks way better. Now you're going to make your poof. You're just going to pull it out as high as you want. If you teased your whole crown, you'll be able to do a higher one. I just did that one piece where my middle part is. It's really just up to you. And then you can spray that with some hairspray to hold it. And now we've got the half up, half down claw clip style done. The last thing that I like to do is curl my hair. What I do is split it in half, and then I think I did about 5 sections on each side. It really doesn't take me long because most of my hair is in that top half, so the bottom half is really thin. So like I said, it really didn't take me that long at all. After I curl my hair, I like to run my fingers through them to separate the curls, make it look a little bit more natural. Lastly, I take the hairspray to spray the curls and just scrunch them upwards a little bit. And that's it. That's how I do my half up, half down claw clip hairstyle.